Leo, those are penguins, real ones.
In our garden! That's impossible! Our garden is in England, not in Antarctica. They're African penguins. They live near the coast, not inland here. So it says African penguins are endangered. There aren't many left now.
What does endangered mean exactly?
Leo, you already had 2 bowls. That's not normal at all. My stomach is very big, Anna. Needs a lot of cereal.
I'm going to fix the garden shed door today. Properly.
David, you said that exact sentence 3 Saturdays in a row.
Leo, did you just hear something coming from outside? I hear a lot of things, Anna. Mostly my own hunger. Okay, I hear it now. That's definitely not the wind doing that. Don't run, Leo. Walk slowly and be very quiet, please. I'm going to look very carefully. Stay right behind me, Leo. I'm right behind you. I'm not scared at all. I'm just also hungry.
Leo, those are penguins, real ones.
In our garden! That's impossible! Our garden is in England, not in Antarctica. They're African penguins. They live near the coast, not inland here.
So why are they in a garden in England? That's very strange.
It says African penguins are endangered. There aren't many left now.
What does endangered mean exactly? Is it like dangerous but backwards?
I had a biscuit in my pocket. Now I don't have a biscuit in my pocket. Leo, did the penguin just steal your food? Where did you come from? You're safe here. I promise you're safe.
I won't let anything happen to you. I promise that right now.
I promised him all the biscuits in my room. We need to tell Mom and Dad about them. Right now, Leo. But what if they say the penguins have to leave immediately?
Anna, there are 2 penguins standing on our lawn right now.
Yes, Mom. We found them in the bush. They were hiding and shaking.
I came to fix the shed door. Why are there penguins in our garden?
David, please put the toolbox down and come here slowly. They didn't come from anywhere local, David. Look how tired they are.
They look like they've been running from something for a long time.
They need to be warm and dry before anything else happens today.
Can they really come inside? Into the actual house, Mom? Jack, this is our kitchen. You're safe and warm and dry in here. Ben already knows where the fridge is. That happened very fast.
African penguins are endangered.
Less than 50 small fish, squid. They need coastal water to survive properly.
Leo,
We'll keep them safe, feed them, and call the wildlife people. Easy.
The Wildlife Authority line keeps ringing. Nobody's picking it up today.
We keep trying. We don't move the penguins until we reach someone official.
The brave one is Jack, and the hungry one is Ben. I decided already. Leo, you can't just name wild animals after 30 seconds of knowing them.
His feathers are waterproof, but he's been cold and wet for too long.
He doesn't fight it. He's letting us help him.
He knows we're safe.
Sophie, there was something attached to his flipper very recently.
Something clipped on and then removed? That's not a rescue tag, David.
These animals didn't escape from a zoo, Sophie. Someone was moving them.
Illegally. Someone was transporting them to sell them. That mark proves it.
Dad, you said someone was moving them to sell them.
Anna, we're handling it. Keep the penguins calm and watch your brother.
Somebody had them and they escaped. They came here, to us. Come away from the window. Come here right now. We should hide Jack and Ben in the garden shed. Safer than the house.
The shed with the broken door Dad didn't fix? That shed? Are you sure?
Walk quietly and stay low.
We don't want anyone to see us out here.
Ben won't stay low. He keeps stopping to look at interesting rocks. I did it. They're safe in the shed. That was actually very smart. Help me, Leo. We have to remove these footprints right now immediately.
You can't remove footprints from grass, Anna. The grass is wet. It's physics.
Anna, why is there a trail of wet footprints going to the garden shed?
I was trying to hide them somewhere safer. I thought it was a good idea. You're back inside now. It's warm here. Nobody's going to find you here.
Still no answer from the Wildlife Authority. I'll try the local police too.
We keep trying. We don't move the penguins until we reach someone official.
The police said to keep the animals inside and they'd send someone tomorrow.
Tomorrow. They said tomorrow. We don't have until tomorrow, David. Anna, do you know anything about a green car outside on the street?
It drove past twice already.
I saw it the second time and I closed the curtain.
Jack went tense when the car went past. He recognized it, Mom. I saw him.
You're sure? Jack's reaction wasn't just noise from the road outside? He's checking addresses, looking for the right house. He doesn't know yet.
A green car parked outside second time today. This isn't a coincidence.
We'll just stay inside and wait. The wildlife people will come. It'll be fine.
Leo,
Is it the matter, Frank?
is it the Waggett right now? Ben would love to meet new people.
Can I help you? Are you looking for someone on this street? I'm so sorry to bother you. I'm looking for 2 animals that escaped last night. This artifact is incredibly valuable.
He sounds kind. That's exactly why I don't trust him at all.
Anna, he said they were valuable. That word.
I heard it too, Dad. That's not how someone talks about animals they love.
That man is gone now? Can Ben go back in the garden? He wants fresh air.
Ben stays inside, Leo. Both of them stay inside. Please trust me right now.
I found a different number, the Marine Wildlife Emergency Line. I'm calling it now.
Good. Don't mention the man at the door until you know who you're talking to.
Hello, this is Sophie Chen. I'm calling to report a sighting. Dr. Elena Ruiz. She's a Marine Wildlife Officer. She can be here in 2 hours.
2 hours. We need to keep those penguins hidden and that man away for 2 hours.
2 hours. I can do something useful in 2 hours. I know I can. If I ring Mrs. Adler's doorbell, the man outside will look at her house.
And then?
What happens after he looks at Mrs. Adler's house, Anna? This is smart. A distraction is a completely smart idea. Definitely. I'm going back fast, but not too fast. Just a normal child walking. Oh no.
Dad, he saw me come from the direction of our house.
I think he knows. What did you do, Anna? Tell me quickly and tell me everything.
Okay, I made 2 mistakes. But we're still inside. We're still safe.
Sophie, there's something still attached here, under the feathers, a small device.
That's a GPS tracker, David. He didn't remove it. He's been following the signal. He's not guessing addresses. He's been sitting outside following a live signal.
We have to remove it and we have to move the penguins. Right now, Sophie.
Dad, the side gate just moved. Someone pushed it from the outside.
Don't touch it. Move back from the window right now, Anna. Both of you move.
He's trying to get into our garden, isn't he? He wants to take Jack and Ben.
Yes, but Dad has a plan and help is coming. We just have to be really brave, Leo. I have 2 ideas. Hide them deeper in the house or move them somewhere unexpected.
I think you should decide. You're the one who makes the smart plans, Anna.
I've got it. The tracker is off. He's lost the signal now. Completely gone.
Good. Now he'll come to the last location the signal showed him. This house. He's in the garden. He climbed the back fence. He's actually in our garden now.
He can't come in the house. We're locked. The front and back are locked.
This is private property. You need to leave our garden immediately, please. I'm so sorry. I thought I saw my animals near your fence. I'll just be a moment.
He's looking at the shed. He sees the wet footprints. I made those.
He's going to check the shed. He can see there's been recent activity in there.
Let him check it. The penguins aren't there now. Checking it gives us time.
Control, suspect is aware. Need backup at the rear. He's calling someone. He has a partner. I didn't think about a second person.
We have maybe 5 minutes now before the other one arrives at the front.
I made 2 mistakes. There are 2 hunters, and Leo is currently feeding Ben cheese. They need to leave this house, but not through the front or back. Think. Dad, your hiking backpack. If Jack and Ben go inside it, we can carry them out.
Before the second person arrives. Anna, that could work. Sophie takes the backpack with Jack and Ben out the front door to the car.
Dr. Ruiz is 12 minutes away. I'll drive toward her and meet her halfway.
Jack, I need you to trust me right now. Please get inside the bag.
Leave the zip open slightly so they can breathe. Keep it loose on your back.
I told you before, you need to leave this property or I'll call the police. Of course. I just wanted to say I'm certain you have the animals inside, Mr. Chen.
I'm going to walk to the car like it's a completely ordinary afternoon, Anna.
He'll watch you from the garden.
Walk exactly like you do when you're going shopping. Walk, Mom. Just walk normally. Don't look at the garden. Don't run.
Oh,
He wasn't guessing. He always knew exactly where they were.
and I wasted time on 2 plans that made it worse.
I know what I should have done.
He's going after the car. Good, that means he's left the garden completely.
Is Mom okay? Is she gonna get there before he catches up to her? Dad, is Ben gonna be okay? He was in the backpack. He doesn't like dark places.
Jack is with him, Leo. They're together. They're going to be okay, I promise. That kitchen. Last night. Jack on the table. Marcus's torch outside. That was before we got the tracker off.
David, I can see Elena's van ahead. I'm pulling over to meet her right now.
He's behind you. He doesn't know she's Wildlife Authority. This ends here.
It's over, Anna. They're safe. They're both in the backpack, healthy. The tracker has been removed and destroyed. You did the right thing. Both of you stay in the car. I'll handle everything from here. Step out of the vehicle, please. Wildlife trafficking, I have everything on file.
I don't know what you're talking about. I was just looking for lost animals.
He's been arrested. The police are here. Jack and Ben are safe with Dr. Ruiz.
Sophie, are you okay? Just tell me you're okay and then tell me the rest.
Hey, Mommy's okay. Safe. They're safe. I kept my promise. I actually kept my promise. Are Ben and Jack together? Are they in the same place? I need to know that, Dad.
Yes, Leo, they're together. They've been together this whole time. I promise.
I wanted to bring them back here before we transport them. Is that all right?
Yes, please. Come in. The children will... Yes, please come in.
Anna. Oh, may you all see is also the most important day of my life.
Can I put my hand through the mesh? Just for 1 second. Just 1 second, please. Let me ask Dr. Elena. She said yes. 1 hand, slowly. Hi.
There's a protected coastal sanctuary 4 hours from here. Other penguins live there.
So they won't be alone? They'll have a real group? An actual colony around them? I learned that endangered means there's still time. But not very much time.
That's the most important thing anyone could understand about them, Anna. I need to get them moving before it gets dark. They transport better in daylight. Of course. Please take good care of them. They've had quite a frightening few days. Jack, I know you can't understand me, but I want to say something anyway.
I think he understands more than we think. I actually believe that completely. I'm glad you came here, even though it was scary.
I'm so glad it was our house.
I kept my promise, every word of it, and he knew I would.
You stole my biscuit. That was amazing. You're the best penguin I've ever met.
I've only met 2 penguins. But still, you're the best one.
They're going somewhere they belong. That's the best ending I can think of.
We had penguins in our kitchen for 6 hours. I need a moment to think about that.
You also didn't fix the shed door. Same result as every other Saturday.
Ben ate most of the ham, some cheese, 1 apple, and approximately 7 grapes.
Leo, how do you know that? Did you watch him eat all of that?
I made 2 mistakes. Both of them made it worse. I kept thinking I could fix it alone. The backpack worked because Dad had it, not because of me.
Dr. Ruiz has sent a message. Jack and Ben arrived safely at the sanctuary gate.
He's thinking about fish, I can tell.
Ben was only here 1 day and he ate a whole week of our food. That's impressive.
Leo, that is not the main lesson from today's experience.
What did you learn today, Anna? Tell me in your own way. Take your time.
I learned that being brave doesn't mean getting everything right. It just means not stopping.
You did good thinking today, Anna. The backpack, that was
took
good
too
smart.
long to think of it. I wasted time on 2 plans that didn't work first.
Mom,
Ben stopped and looked at me before he went in the van. I definitely looked at you. That was real. Wild animals don't belong to anyone, Anna.
and protecting the world is harder than keeping one thing safe in your own house.
Leo, you were so brave.
I was a little scared.
It's okay to be scared. I'm so glad.
They came to us because this was the safest looking house on the whole street. I'm glad we were the right kind of safe. The kind that actually does something.
I think we should do something completely normal this evening. Something boring.
I completely agree. Something so boring it makes up for the rest of today entirely.
African penguins mate for life. Jack and Ben will stay together forever at the sanctuary.
So they were always together. Even before today, they had each other. Elena sent another message. She says Jack and Ben were released into the colony.
They're safe.
Did something good happen? I was asleep, but I think something good happened.
Yes, Leo. Something very good happened. Jack and Ben are actually home.
Mom stood in the garden for a little while by herself. I think she was saying goodbye, too.
Dad, you're fixing the shed door right now.
It felt important today, in a way I can't completely explain right now.
I wrote their names in my book. Jack and Ben, under African penguins, with a little star.
Are you okay, Leo? Really okay, not just saying okay because it's bedtime.
I'm really okay.
Ben was in my life for 6 hours and I fed him cheese. That's enough.
You kept your promise, Anna. I heard what you said to Jack this morning.
I know, I was scared I wouldn't. But I kept it. That feels good, Mom.
Wild animals don't belong to anyone. They belong to the world. Remember that.
I'll remember.
And I'll teach it to Leo. But he'll probably talk about the biscuit.
We should probably discuss what happened today at some point soon, Sophie.
We had penguins, a wildlife trafficker, your backpack, and the shed door, in that order. Elena sent one last photograph. It's Jack and Ben at the water with the colony.
Good.
Seriously, this is never the best day now.
Leo, yesterday was also quite a significant day, and you know that very well.
The garden looks the same as it always did. But I know it's different now. We were the right house. And next time something needs us, we'll be ready.